Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Keap for mobile lead capture integration step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Keap website. Click on the Get Started button located in the upper right corner of the homepage. Select the option that best describes your business needs. Fill out the required information to create your Keap account. After submitting your information, check your email for a verification message. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is activated, log in with your credentials. Navigate to the Integrations section in the dashboard menu. Search for mobile lead capture tools compatible with Keap. Choose the lead capture tool you wish to integrate. Follow the prompts to connect the selected mobile lead capture tool to your Keap account. Authorize the integration by granting the necessary permissions. Once authorized, customize the settings for the lead capture tool as needed. Save your changes to complete the integration process. Test the integration by capturing a mobile lead through the connected tool. Monitor the leads within your Keap dashboard to ensure they are syncing correctly. Adjust any settings if the leads are not appearing as expected. Your mobile lead capture integration is now successfully registered with Keap. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.